As more businesses move towards electric vehicles, having the right EV charging infrastructure is becoming increasingly important. At Positive Energy Solutions, we design and install commercial solar EV charging solutions that help businesses prepare for the future. By combining solar panels with EV charging, your business can use clean, renewable energy to help power company vehicles, staff vehicles, fleet vehicles, or customer charging points. Every project is tailored to your site, your available space, your vehicle usage, and your energy requirements. We can also advise on battery storage options, helping you make the most of the energy your system generates. Whether you are planning for one charger or a larger commercial charging setup, we provide practical, professional advice from start to finish. Positive Energy Solutions, helping businesses move towards a cleaner, smarter energy future.